Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make simple macaroni salad at home. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring you have fresh vegetables and a good quality mayonnaise. Next, we'll cook the macaroni to that perfect al dente texture, then cool it quickly. Finally, we'll mix up a creamy, tangy dressing and combine everything for a delightful side dish that's always a crowd pleaser. It's truly an easy method. To start, bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add 8 ounces of elbow macaroni and cook according to package directions, usually for 7 to 9 minutes, until it's perfectly al dente. Immediately drain the pasta and rinse it thoroughly with cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents the macaroni from sticking together, ensuring a great texture for your salad. Now, let's create that delicious dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Stir in 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Season with about 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Finally, fold in 1/4 cup of finely diced celery for a lovely crunch and fresh flavor. Once your macaroni is completely cooled and well drained, transfer it to a large mixing bowl. Pour the creamy dressing over the pasta and gently fold everything together until every piece of macaroni is evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and refrigerate the macaroni salad for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Enjoy your homemade macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.